This pumpkin gooey butter cake tastes kind of like a pumpkin pie, except the base is cake. And of course, any flavor gooey butter cake has to be insanely sweet and buttery. This one is no exception. It just melts in your mouth. The base tastes like a moist, cakey sugar cookie, and the filling is perfectly spiced and gooey. Served plain with a dusting of powdered sugar or with a dollop of whipped cream. And it's so easy to make. In a large bowl, add a box of cake mix, 1 egg, and I'm just mixing this together, but you can add the butter, egg, and cake mix all at once. And then I'm adding 1 stick of melted butter. Make sure the butter isn't too hot, and then mix that up. The batter will be very stiff, like dough, and pat it into an 13 by 9 inch pan, but mine was about 12 by 9 inch. To make the filling, take 1 15-ounce can of pumpkin, mix it with 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. I forgot to show the cream cheese. Add 3 eggs and any spices. I added about 1 teaspoon cinnamon and a dash of nutmeg. Now add about 4 tablespoons butter. This is less butter than what Paula Deen's recipe calls for. Then add 1 16-ounce box of powdered sugar and mix that until it's well combined. Then pour the filling over the cake base. Knock out any air bubbles and then bake at 350 degrees for 45 to 50 minutes or until there's only a slight jiggle in the middle. Make sure you don't overbake. Cool for about an hour, then slice and serve. Enjoy.